English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hello, this is the English we speak. I'm Feifei.
And hello, I'm Rob.
Why have you brought a bowl of fruit into the studio?
I'm not feeling great, and you know fruit is packed with vitamin C, so I thought eating some would do me good.
I see. Well, I'm sorry you're not feeling great, but we have got a programme to do and an English phrase to teach.
If you don't mind, I might just read a few lines from the script today to save my voice. Perhaps I could just read the funny lines?
No, Rob. You can't just cherry-pick what you want to say.
Cherry pick? No, Feifei, there aren't any cherries in my fruit bowl, so I won't be picking any.
I wasn't referring to your fruit. When you cherry-pick something, it means you choose only what's best or most desirable out of a group of things or a group of people. But Rob, you're not going to do that, are you?
Shall we hear some examples of other cherry pickers?
Josh says he cherry-picked the players for his football team based on their skills. But I know it's because they were his friends.
We need to cherry-pick the best food for our new restaurant. We really want to impress our customers.
It seems unfair that our school has cherry-picked the best students to attend the conference. We should all have a chance to go.
You're listening to the English we speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the phrase to cherry pick, which means to choose the best or the most desirable things from a group. And Rob wants to cherry pick only the best lines to read from this script. It's a bit unfair, Rob.
I was just trying to save my voice, but I'll do my best. Would you like a piece of fruit from the bowl, Feifei?
Oh, okay then. That banana is a bit mouldy. That orange is a bit yellow. I'll have this apple, please.
Looks like you're cherry-picking the best piece of fruit. Right, well, now that you've got my delicious apple, do you mind if I go now? I'm really not feeling great.
Oh, go on, Rob. But next time, I'm going to cherry pick who I present with. Someone who wants a bite of the cherry to work with me. A bite of the cherry means a chance or opportunity. I need someone with a bit more stamina. See ya.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.